You are on the fastest route. You will arrive at 10:50 a.m.
So it's almost been 5 or 6 years since I see my brothers or my family. I'm recording the whole trip, so I have it stored in my memory bank. Yo, so we're here at Orange County, John Wayne. We're about to get on a plane, go to Tennessee. So should be dope. Update you then. Late. Nashville was lit. The weather was, coming from California, you know, it was hot. Right, here's my brother. There he is.
Whoa.
There he is. You know, shout out to the family. You know what I mean? Look at this guy and his fucking.
What? These are Hannah's, okay? So I wear this because I love my sister. Also because they're comfy. But mostly the other thing. Right? Mostly the other thing. Dude, it's so fun having up.
Yo, look at this though. Look.
I know. Yeah. So you can't close it. You have no privacy.
Yeah.
I saw some lady over there the other day and I was just like, what the fuck, bro?
Look is this, dude? You can't. And then look, dude. Look at this fucking sheet right here. What the fuck is wrong with that?
That's so crusty.
I wish I could show it. Oh, there you go.
Like, look at that, dude. This is,
Bro. Shit would not have happened at the Marriott.
Shit was not happening at the Marriott. The next time you film us, we're gonna be at the Marriott. I'm not even joking. You guys film from now.
this smug. She wonders where I get it from. No, think about that.
Just get something on.
Hannah's also very smug. Our whole family is smug. You are too, Derek.
No,
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Are you guys serious?
I'm not.
You're all smug. That's the perfect way to describe our family. Seriously. Because you're almost there, but you're not actually there, but you think you're there.
Yeah, but he has to be such.
But yeah, Christian does wink a lot. Does he ever wink at you, Derek?
Proceed to music
He's
station.
a
Show me
winker.
footage, yeah.
He's a winker, dude.
He's always like, basically whenever he talks, it's like hello to him or
Yeah,
bye.
yeah.
That's great. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna text him that.
He's a cool guy.
You're gonna text him that, bro.
Oh god.
I gotta make an effort to get closer to that dude.
So the next day, I was tasked with recording my little sister's wedding.
Christian, please repeat after me. In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I, Christian, take you, Hannah, to be my
I, Christian, take you, Hannah, to be my
wife, to have and to hold from this day forward,
wife, to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death separates us.
till death separates us.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
That night, I was gonna go out and do some night photography, but I mean, obviously you can see. I did get some shots though. Check them out on the screen. The next day, we went to go find my sister's apartment, new apartment, and say our goodbyes to the next time. It was a sad moment, but overall, the whole weekend, it was very emotional. But yeah.
Oh, I hear her.
Yeah, I don't know.
My sister. Is that her?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
Yeah, she's aware. She's aware.
Okay, thank you so much.
Congratulations, and your mom also gift in there too.
Okay, we have to go. It's a bit messy because I don't have time.
That's fine.
Don't worry, you get enough sleep.
Yeah.
Where's Sterling and Lana? Are they okay?
Wait, let me get in front. This is the first time all 4 kids are going to be walking. I'm walking in front of you. Because this is the first time all 4 kids are going to be together.
Yeah, right?
To my younger brothers and sister, love you guys. Hope to see you soon.